One of my favorite features inside PrintCAST Studio is the ability to actually look at your content via the webcam in the browser before you actually open up your phone or anything, right? So let me show you how you can access that inside PrintCAST Studio. So I'm going to quickly change this design a little bit. I'm just going to move this astronaut here, and I'm just going to grab this logo, the KP9 logo, and I'm going to move it over here. I'm just going to take this astronaut quickly and just rotate it in to face this way. Perfect. I'm simply going to go save. And once it's done saving, all I have to do is go to the preview button, which says preview now. And once I do that, I can simply take the image and hold it up to the camera. And there's the content. The astronaut is now on the different side, and the KP9 logo is now on that side, right? At any time in the studio as well, you can also click the side button, the preview cast, and that will bring up the same content. So you can preview and you can design and preview as you go along without having to go back and forth between your phone or elements. You can just use webcam on your device, on your laptop, on your desktop, and just quickly grab a print and just put it in front of the webcam and go from there. Can't wait to see what you create.